Hi everyone, this is Arlene of AJH Leather Designs, and I'm here to show you a project that I'm working on for a gentleman. It is a vintage leather vest, and basically he said he found it in the bottom of his closet. He put it on, he wanted it, he brought it to me because he wanted it to be redesigned, or rather restored actually. So I have it here, and I have it in pieces because I had to take it loose to do certain things to it and also to repair it. Um, it was a dull brown, and I have re-dyed it, as you can see right here. It is leather. As you can see, the suede on this side and stuff. So this is like one of the sides, and he has snaps on it. And I told him, I said, instead of taking out the snaps, what I would do with the lining is to cut the lining at a certain point, like what you see here. And that way we won't disturb the snaps. Now, I could always put new snaps in it, but this is thin leather, and to try to take the snaps out would destroy the leather. So instead of doing that, we'll just destroy the lining. So this was a fully lined jacket, and I have the lining here that I ripped out and stuff. And actually, let me show you the piece. Now it is a beautiful, I'll show you the pieces that I'm going to put in the lining after this, but I want you to know that I restored the shine and also the dye in the leather with Tandy's Eco Flow dye, water based, and it is now a shiny dark brown, as you can see right there. That looks really good. There are some rubbed areas, and I am going to protect those with Rosalyn, which is an acrylic protectant for leather. This is the other side, and as you can see, the snaps again, and where I cut the lining right here, and I'm going to sew the other lining to that. This is the back right here, and I pulled the lining out of the entire back as well. These are the pockets that go into the lining. So I'm going to put the pockets back in, and of course the pockets where the leather is was re-dyed also. Oh, there's something else I want to show you. There are pockets here, and I don't know if he knew it, but the pockets are torn right here. See, so there's a big hole in that pocket. So I'm going to have to take out this part and replace the lining here, because both of them are torn. So let's see if you can see that. Both of them are torn. There's a big hole here. So I will take those out as well. So here is the lining. He said he wanted red and a silk at 50 or more dollars a yard for silk. We decided to go with a silk blend, which is less expensive. So this is a silk blend, and this is the lining right here. And that is going to go sharp with the brown. Basically, this is suiting lining. So whenever you see a man's suit or a woman's suit and it's tailored, it will have a lining very much like this with this type of fabric. So this is what we're using, and because it is a very thin sheer fabric, I interfaced it so that it would be easier to work with and would feel crisp when he puts on his vest and stuff. So that's the back. These are the outer pockets that I showed you that have a hole to them, and these are the sides. And this, and I don't know if you can see it right there, but I have where the inner pockets are going to go. And that would be, where are they? And that would be here. So the inner pockets are going to go inside here, and you will see the leather. You won't see this, but you will see the leather right there. So that is a project that I am doing for a customer. I am excited about it, and sewing and tailoring are things that I have been doing since, oh my goodness, since I was 9 years old. And at 62, I think I can remember a few things. So this is Arlene of AJH Leather Designs. Uh, Please remember to like us and go shop at our store at ajhleatherdesigns.net or womanversusleather.net. That's woman versus leather with a VS.net. And we'll see you. God bless. God bless. Have a good weekend. God bless everybody. Love y'all. Bye. God bless. God bless. Bye, y'all.